Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the best Thanksgiving cookie cutter set on the market, the Auktosmn Mini Autumn Cookie Cutter Set. Perfect for creating festive treats that will delight your family and friends during the holiday season. This set is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. This delightful set includes 7 assorted autumn-themed shapes, a charming autumn leaf, a classic apple, a whimsical pumpkin, an acorn, a maple leaf, and even a turkey. Each cutter measures around 2 inches, making them just the right size for creating mini cookies, decorative pies, or even garnishing desserts. And the best part? They're all made from durable, food-grade stainless steel. One of the standout features of these cutters is how easy they're to use. The sharp edges ensure clean cuts, which means you'll get perfectly shaped cookies every time. Whether you're using cookie dough, fondant, or even soft fruits, these cutters make it a breeze to create beautiful, professional-looking treats. What truly sets the Auktosmn Mini Autumn Cookie Cutter Set apart is its versatility. Not only are they great for cookies, but you can also use them for sandwiches, cheese, and even crafting decorative elements for your fall-themed meals. Imagine presenting a plate of beautifully cut apple sandwiches at your Thanksgiving gathering. It's not just baking, it's about creating an experience. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a total breeze. After all that baking fun, you'll appreciate the convenience of tossing these in the dishwasher rather than hand-washing them. In summary, the Auktosmn Mini Autumn Cookie Cutter Set isn't just a baking tool, it's an invitation to celebrate the flavors and spirit of the season. With their quality craftsmanship, ease of use, and delightful designs, this set is truly the best Thanksgiving cookie cutter set out there. So, if you want to impress your guests this fall, be sure to add this set to your kitchen arsenal. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews that help you make informed choices. Happy baking, and enjoy creating wonderful memories this Thanksgiving.